every neighborhood.
Happy Wednesday.
Maybe he is in the mood for food.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that point.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Row. Look, Mama, look. I'm
saying my Aunt Clara went to visit her cousin. Now her husband was rather gifted on the glockenspiel, but being a stage owl also sang soprano.
Oh dear. Come bounce with me. Bouncing makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Follow me. Phew, I almost bounced right out of the ride. Watch out for heffalumps and noodles. They steal honey. Steal honey.
goodness gracious.
You're paying us.
A very big waterfall.
With you in a minute, Piglet.
Last, the maid went away, and everyone gathered together to say